Okay, welcome to my unit on quadratics. My name is Jeremy Barber. I made this unit for parents looking to help their children at the high school level, preferably in Algebra 2. Juniors taking the ACT, this would be a good thing for them to look at, their parents. I did all of my lessons on Blackboard. It's our LMS we use at my school. You can sign in if you would like to. If you go to bb91.misd.net and use the login as SVSU guest, and the password is ABC123. When you log in, you'll see two courses. I used the same thing last year for another master's class. You're going to click on Algebra 2B Student Master. And when you log in, you'll see the daily agenda. Don't worry about that. That's for my classes right now that I'm currently teaching. But if you go to the left side on content, and you'll see quadratics. The first thing that I have listed is the objectives. You can download that. And it just has the 4 objectives I'm going to use for quadratics. Parents will be able to list multiple ways, blah, blah, blah. You can take a look at that if you'd like. And then I have the 4 objectives broken down into different folders. So each objective will probably be, a week's lesson, depending on how fast they want to move. They can move at their own pace. At the end of it, you have quadratic quizzes, and then my e-portfolio analysis and overview. So we're going to check out the first one, objective number 1, and if you notice, it has the objective listed right underneath it. This one is all about solving quadratics, and inside you will have the lesson. It says this lesson will show you how to solve quadratics 3 different ways: factoring, quadratic formula, and graphing. So the layout is similar to VSpace. You have the description of what the lesson on, the big idea, the objectives, and the agenda. You are to download the PDF of the notes and watch the video to help complete the notes. Then there are 3 videos on solving methods. Complete the worksheet assignment and check with the answer key. And then the discussion board question at the end. And then go back and take the quiz on just objective number 1. So the notes right here are in PDF. If you have an iPad, you can open up on the iPad. All of our students at school have an iPad, so we have to upload them as PDFs. And then here's the video that goes along with the notes, so they can watch that to complete those notes. And then I have 3 other links to videos. They are just to Khan Academy videos I found, making my life a lot simpler. And I have to make all these videos. Right now in Algebra 2, we have to make all of our videos. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but if you can find them around Khan Academy or other websites, it's great. So here is the 3 methods I was talking about, and then they have their homework and the answer key to check their answers with. And then here is a link to the discussion board. They can click on that, and I've already started it. They can add their response to it or their thread. So that is how each lesson will be laid out, pretty much the same way. And once you go back, you can take the quiz. And let me show you what that looks like. So I have here the first one up. It says it has to be done by this Sunday. And it is a timed quiz of 60 minutes. Looks like this, all multiple choice. It gives you all the questions right away. Each quiz or each question is worth 1 point. Then at the end you get your score. You'll know your grade right away, and it will also be uploaded to a gradebook online in Blackboard. I also added a short answer response. There's all types of questions you could ask, true, false, multiple choice. You could have ones that have more than 1 right answer or partial credit. It's a real great assessment tool to use. And that's pretty much it. It's just like VSpace, Blackboard, It has a little bit different tools, different layout, but everything can be done the same.